AFEN slimmer size Sanck&Drink vending machine. It is an excellent low-cost high-reward vending machine business or sideline. 56 centimeters wide. 194 centimeters tall. It occupies a small area, but the capacity is not small. According to the product size, it can hold 180 to 300 pieces. Replenishment is simple and easy to operate. Equipped with 6 floors, 6 cargo lanes and 5 slots. Cashless payment, external touchscreen, supporting QR code payment. Enlarge and widen the anti-theft pickup port. If you are interested in this mini machine, welcome to inquiry.